of the conversation our church members had with Shaini David, sister-in-law Gayatri, Navri Gayatri, and alludu wala akkano chellano. David Shantaraj's son-in-law is a Hindu. He is still a Hindu and not baptized, but our church has made David Shantaraj and his wife Junia David as men's president and women's president in recent years. They married their daughter to Hindu in a function hall in Hyderabad. They did Christian marriage in function hall because the Hindu boy is not baptized and there is no baptism certificate for performing marriage in church. Also, they did Hindu marriage in Srikakulam. They hid the truth from the Christians. Okay. సో వాళ్ళ అల్లుడు హిందూ ఉన్నాడు, సో బ్యాప్టిజం తీసుకోలేదు, అయినా చర్చిలో పెళ్లి చేశారు, అట్లనే హిందూ సాంప్రదాయం ప్రకారం శ్రీకాకుళం పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నారు అని చెప్తుంది. Everything his family does is fraud and for money. Even in wedding video of Navri Venkatesh and Shaini David on YouTube,